Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I have a new look. I am going to be doing another product review from one of my favorite brands. I think you guys already know, this is my third time doing a product review for this brand. Is Glow Recipe and their Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. I purchased it almost already like 2 weeks ago. I was trying it out and I'm liking it so far, but I wanted to share with you the entire experience of using this balm plus their water-based cleanser, and it's the Blueberry Bouncy Gentle Cleanser. Let's get started with this review. So let's talk about all the goodie ingredients. Main one is papaya enzymes. This gentle exfoliant helps to dissolve and remove dead skin cells, improving skin tone and texture. It also helps to soften and smooth the top layer of the skin while soothing and brightening. Second ingredient is papaya extract and seed oil, rich in fatty acids, in addition to vitamins A, C, and E to help keep skin hydrated. Next up is blueberry extract, rich in antioxidants to help fight free radical damage, calm irritation, and brighten skin. All of their packaging on all of their Glow Recipe products are just amazing. Look at this cute little box, and when you open it up, the first thing that you see is right over here, and you open it, look, inside has little papayas. I literally don't want to throw this away. I still have it. I wanted to put this product to the real test. I am going to scoop a little bit, I think like a dime size, and on my eyelid. Why not? Here we go. See that milkiness? It's taking my blush off. Look at that. Oh, yep. Acne, hi, hello. Okay. The moment of truth. Eyeliner, let's see, and mascara. Oh my god, look at that. It literally just melted the Kat Von D eyeliner. It says that this formula is good for sensitive eyes, and also if you're taking your makeup off and you have your contact lenses, is contact lenses safe? Love it. Now this is the part that I don't like. Once I apply some water on my face to take it off, it gets very slippery. Sponge that I bought on Amazon, and it's like all completely soaked with water. Taking it off, I think this would be my best way to take this cleansing balm off of my skin. I'm gonna use their blueberry cleansing gel. It is clear. I'm just gonna use this much, and I want you guys to see, look how it's like so bouncy. This one has hyaluronic acid, it has AHAs, it has blueberry extract, which is well known to be an antioxidant-rich. It also has a super gentle AHA formula that gently, exfoliates the top layer of your skin, and I can feel it so soft. My skin is completely hydrated. Definitely use them together. You will love the entire experience. If I have to rate these products from 0 to 5, 5 being the highest, let's start with the Papaya Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Performance-wise, definitely give it a 5 out of 5. I loved how well it took out my makeup in just a few seconds. Now for the price of $32, this you can purchase it on theglowrecipe.com and also at sephora.com. It really comes with a lot of product. I feel it's your money's worth, and it even comes with your own spatula, so definitely you don't have to like scoop it with your own finger. I would definitely give it a 5 out of 5 on the price range. Now for the experience, I would give it a 4.7 because of the experience of like taking the cleansing balm off my face. Just had that slipperiness, and it wasn't coming off as easy as other cleansing balms that I've tried before. This cleanser, if I have to rate it from 0 to 5 overall experience, definitely 5 out of 5. The consistency is so jelly and bouncy. It really just hydrates and it gently exfoliates and really just takes out the residue from my cleansing balm. So I really just love the scent of blueberry, love the entire experience. I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a new cleansing balm, and if you love, you know, tropical scents, you know, having fun while taking all that junk out of your face, definitely this product and this cleanser is just amazing. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on my social medias at Belorraine. See you on my next video. Bye! Annyeong!